Hello, I am Dr.Mini Nair, founder and chief physician of Ayurhealing Ayurveda Hospital, 18th Main, Koramangala, Bangalore. Generally speaking about height, it is one thing what we need to remember is height is definitely genetical. But there can be a lot of other influencing factors that can actually contribute during the developmental stage. So when we are talking about height, it is actually because of the growth hormone in our body, which is secreted by the pituitary gland situated in the brain. And it is seen, it is at the peak during the adolescence and drops back immediately after that. But definitely growth keeps happening within our system because growth is definitely required throughout our life. So when a person who intends to improve their height, one thing they need to remember is they cannot do much because it is definitely dependent on our genetics. But there can be very other causative factors or the influencing factors that can contribute. When we talk about these influencing factors, then we need to look into the general nutrition of the body and other congenial atmosphere the person lives in. All these actually contribute to the height factors. So in case of male, it is usually seen they grow to about till they attain the age of 25 and women till they are around 21 years of age, during which time they actually grow every 2 inches. That is what the science say, that every 2 inches in a year. So during that period of time, during their adolescence, what best can be done to improve on the factors of their height? And talking about Ayurveda, Ayurveda always looks into the nutritional effect of the body too. So the contributing medicines or what we tell can be the ashwagandha, the shatavari and the guduchi. These are the things, these medicines when they are incorporated in the form of lehyams, churnams or pills actually help in the absorption of the nutrients and also helps in improving the bone structure because the effects of these growth hormone happens at the cartilaginous portion of the bone. So this helps in improvement of the absorption and also helps in contributing to the height. Along with that, exercises plays a very important role. Exercises like stretching. When we are talking about stretching, the best exercise that we can advise is the Surya Namaskara during this period. That is a complete stretch. When this is incorporated along with a very good dietary habit, it definitely plays a very important role. And then comes sleep. Sleep is also seen to be very important because the growth usually happens during the sleeping hours days. So in such conditions, when you do it along with the medications, the other factors like nutrition and the congenial atmosphere or the stress-free atmosphere with adequate exercises, definitely the height required for that person following his genetics will be achieved. Otherwise, it becomes so difficult with no and only depending on some magic pills, it definitely is not going to help you in gaining height at all.